And today, day 2 of our 14-day back pain challenge, we are going to gently stretch our lower back. Okay? I'm going to give you today a 5-minute routine that you must do 3 times a day. Once you wake up in your bed only, second time, any time during the day when you get time, and the third, before you sleep. Okay, you're going to have the best sleep because you would have relaxed your body. Okay, so let's get started giving our lower back some love. So let's open our knees out wide and join the big toes. From here, I want you to push the buttocks back onto your heels. Yes. And now stretch the arms. Now, really try to stretch the arms as far as you can and also push your buttocks back as much as you can. You're creating a decompression in your lower back. Your lower back is extending. Really pull down so you create that extension. Yes. Just 5 deep breaths, allowing your body to surrender. Deep breaths in and out. And gently rounding the body and coming up. Bring your hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Pull your navel in. Don't keep it arched. Pull the navel in. Move the shoulders away. Perfect. Now you're in form. Okay? Now from here, you're going to inhale, push the lower back down, and move the chest beyond the elbows. Yes, head back if you can. If your neck hurts, look straight ahead. And as you exhale, pull the core, the tummy into your back core. Yes, and move your chin to your chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch. Really create that openness in your spine. Exhale, round. Let's do one more. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, round. And gently release. Perfecto. Now we're going to lie down just like so. Perfect. From here, we are going to bring our feet close to our hips. Yes. And now pull the navel in, squeeze your glutes, squeeze the buttocks, and lift up. Yes. So lift up, squeeze. And if you want, you can move the shoulders in. Really lift. Feel like you're closing into a block between your knees. Okay, don't let the knees play out. Pull in, pull the navel in, and really just keep looking straight ahead. You're creating strength in your lower back. A lot of the times when we are feeling a lot of pain in our lower back, it's because our lower back is weak. So it's still trying to hold weight and it's getting weaker and weaker. So really squeezing the glutes and lifting up higher. Beautiful. 2 more deep breaths. And gently round the body and come down. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Okay? Two bridges. Inhale at center. And as you exhale, squeeze the core, squeeze the buttocks. Yes. Very nice. If you want this time, you can interlace your fingers, roll the shoulders in deeper, and be here. And if not, keep the hands to your sides. That's also perfect. Now, using the shoulders, lift the body up, lengthening the back of the neck. We're working on correcting the alignment in our spine. Few more deep breaths. And release. Well done. The next one, we're going to take our right knee. You're going to hold the right knee with both your hands and pull the thigh towards your stomach. Either keep this leg bent or you can straighten the leg and flex the foot. Now, really try to pull the thigh in. Yes, pull in. Breathe. Really feel that full rounding that's happening in the lower back. And let's release, change the leg. Take both your hands, pull the thigh in, and try to straighten the opposite leg. And you'll feel a nice stretch coming in because if you're feeling pain because your nerves are getting pressed, and when the nerves are getting pressed, it moves all the way down to your foot. So that's sciatica. So this is really helping you move the nerves away from each other. Breathe. You can exhale through your nose or your mouth. If you're feeling a lot of anxiety today, then I want you all to breathe out through your mouth. It releases the pent up energy in our bodies. And release. Beautiful. And the last one, you're going to bend the knees. You're going to hold your leg and feel all the side of the foot, wherever you reach. Okay, now you're going to inhale. And as you exhale, you move the knees outward, outside your ribs. And you start, so it could be here, but you're just gently putting pressure on your foot to move down. And oh my God, the whole lower back will feel too good. I want you to take 5 deep belly breaths and feel that tension in the lower back dissipate away. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. In and out. In and out. One more deep breath in and out. And release. Beautiful. You can now get up if you have work, or if you want to just relax now. Just give yourself those couple of minutes. Just move into Shavasana and really just rest your whole body.